You know that you can pursue evil spirits with this red corn. You don't know. I will show you how to use this red corn. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade, the son of Baba Ramide. Welcome to my program. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn on your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. If you need more of my video, you are free to watch my previous video. Please subscribe. I use God to beg you. I appreciate all my fans, home and diaspora, that are giving me gifts. Givers never lack. Ọwọ́ afúnni, òkè ni ó máa ń gbé. Givers never lack. Thanks for supporting my program. The eyes that are using to watch my program is won't get blind. In today's program, I want to share how to pursue evil spirits in your house, or your office, or your work is not going well. Things not moving forward. You can do this thing. How to do it? Please, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on IG, Dr. Hafiz Abolade. If you are interested in our product, we have all kinds of apps such as Aladiaba Flusher, Diabetes app, Prostate Alignment, Prostate Cancer, Diabetics, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, receive your package. How to do it? Go and look for this leaf. Yoruba call it ewe afeloru. Go and look for fresh of this leaf. Yoruba call it ewe afeloru. And agama lizard, male lizard, big one, male lizard, and sovo, and epo obo, the skin of obo tree, the skin of obo tree. You can get it where they sell herbal item. Just tell them that you need epo obo, and sovo, epo obo, and sovo. With this leaf, use fresh of this leaf. Yoruba call it ewe ajeobale or ajeofole, or ajeofole. Go and look for this leaf. And agama lizard, and this corn, this red corn. You can't get this corn outside. This corn, this type of corn, you can't get it outside. Go where they sell herbal item. Just tell them that you need red corn. You can't get it outside. Just go where they sell herbal item. Just tell them that you need agbado pupa, red corn. Are you with me? Red corn. Roast this corn before you use it. Roast it before you use it. Roast this corn before you use it. dry one, dry one. Don't use fresh one, dry one. Roast it before you do it. Then look for mortar. Remove this corn, remove it. It's inside. Don't pound it with the stick. Are you with me? Just remove it. Put it inside one mortar. And this leaf, Yoruba call it ewe afeloru or ajeobale, with epo obo. You can get it where they sell herbal item. Tell them that you need original epo obo. Original epo obo. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, please. I use God to beg you. I appreciate all my fans that are supporting my program. Givers never lack. Givers never lack. The eyes that we are using to watch my program, it won't get blind. Share this program with your friend. Share it with your family. How to pursue evil spirits. Go and look for red corn. Roast it before you pound it. Roast it before you pound it. You can't get this corn outside. Go where they sell herbal item. Just tell them that you need red corn. Red corn. Then roast it. Remove the corn. Don't pound it with this stick. Don't pound it with this stick. Are you with me? And this leaf, and epo obo, and agama lizard, male lizard, pound it with sulfur, pound it, add sulfur to it. After that, dry it. Don't dry it under the sun. Don't dry it under the sun. Find place to spread it. If you want to use it at night. Look for charcoal, hot one. Then take small out of this thing. Pour this thing inside hot charcoal. Inside your room or inside your, you can put it inside your sitting room or inside your room. That is it. It's small, but it's mighty. When you are that is it. It's small, but it's mighty. Thanks for watching.